Ever wondered if you could draw with calligraphy? In this video, you'll learn how to create stunning bird art using simple calligraphy strokes. And guess what? You can do it too. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world where calligraphy meets drawing. We'll be creating this beautiful parrot using just 3 things: black calligraphy ink, a smooth sheet of paper, and a trusty copperplate calligraphy pen. Just like in Arabic calligraphy where we start with basic strokes like the olive or the lamb, we'll begin with a light sketch to define our parrot's shape. Don't worry, we're not aiming for perfect realism here. We're capturing the essence of our feathery friend through the beauty of lines. See how these gentle curves mimic the flow of the wa in Arabic script. And those sharp angles for the beak. They have the same energy as a pointed qaf. Now, let's add some depth. Using varying pressure on our nib, we can create thicker lines, just like the bold strokes of the dud, to define the wings and body. And for the finer details like those delicate feathers, we'll use lighter strokes, almost like the elegant lamb. Notice how I'm using a combination of downward strokes, similar to that cough, and upward flicks, like the tail of that yeah, to give our parrot a sense of movement and life. This is where the magic of calligraphy truly shines. We'll be using overlapping strokes to create the intricate texture of the feathers. Think of the rhythmic repetition found in Kufic script. Some strokes will be bold and thick, others fine and delicate, just like the diverse letters in the Arabic alphabet. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strokes and angles. The beauty of this technique lies in its fluidity and expressiveness. We started with simple strokes, built up layers of texture, and ended up with a stunning piece of art. Remember, the key is to embrace the fluidity of calligraphy and let your creativity soar. Now it's your turn. Grab your tools, experiment with different strokes, and create your own calligraphic masterpiece. Don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And there you have it. A beautiful parrot, born from the art of calligraphy. Splatter some ink on the final calligraphy bird. Spray water and let the ink flow and form patterns. Subscribe now to watch more calligraphy drawing videos.